you
What?
know. Yeah, isn't that funny? Whoa! Yeah, he's going crazy. Whoa, man! Hey, hello Reddit Army. Welcome back to another episode of Magicians React. I'm Chris.
I'm Eric, and this week on the show, we are going to be surprising each other with some of the best magic videos we could find on Reddit. And stick around to the end of the video so that we can finally answer the question, does the narwhal bacon at midnight?
I'm not sure.
I actually don't know either. Apparently that's a thing Redditors say to each other in real life.
Yeah, you're getting good karma.
We're YouTubers. Who knows?
I like it.
This week on Magicians React.
Very good. All right, for our first video, I think that you actually picked it.
Yes, I did. Let's take a look at this. This is a pretty quick one.
Cool,
Watch.
cool.
And
also no free sponsors. Whoa, that's kind of cool. That's
I
pretty
know.
Cool.
Isn't
Okay.
that great?
That is great. Wow.
Like, so this is going to loop a couple of times right here, and I don't know where this is from, but I love it.
I mean, I assume Reddit.
I love it for a couple of reasons. One is that it's really visual, but second is that he eats the fry.
He eats the fries. I've seen a couple of things done similar to this with a fry bag, but he eats it, so that kind of fools me.
Yeah.
Cool magician. I want to know where this guy is from. If you know, let us know.
Yeah, let us know in the comments if you know who this guy is. But one of the reasons I picked this is I know how good you are at building gimmicks, and so I was like, I want Chris to see this because A, you should do more magic with fries. But B, I just love the fact that you're immediately taking it out. It's not just like an image of it, it's a real thing.
It's real
also,
fries.
those fries are definitely cold.
Oh, 100%. I think fries are very dependent on heat, how good they are, so he's suffering right now. But the magic is very good, and I'd do this over and over again. Endless fries, endless Reddit. I love it.
Let's move on.
The next one is really silly. This is one of my favorite videos I found while scrolling. Just because how insane it is. It's very chaotic.
I'm afraid.
Yeah. All right, let's hit it.
Let's take a look. All right, this is some sort of marketplace salt bay.
Yeah. It's insane. And then you understand what the trick is. Yeah, it gets better. It gets crazy actually. It's really fooling. Like, look at this dude. What is going on? And then he makes some sort of popcorn or some kind of rice snack, and then everybody's just going in, just going wild.
Just eating. This is crazy.
Crazy, right? Like he pours in some salt and makes packing peanuts appear or something, and he's screaming, and there's tons of people around him, and and everyone's very ready to get that delicious packing peanuts that he makes.
This is I wonder two things here.
Yeah.
Okay, for that visual is nuts.
Yeah, crazy, right? I don't know how he does it. It's insane.
Okay, I know I say this every time we do an episode like this, but I know we're not supposed to really get into methods here, but I think this might be real.
Yeah.
So, because I think that's like puffed rice.
Oh, okay, yeah. So you're saying he's actually cooking with friction?
I think he's actually cooking with friction.
It's one of the only explanations for this, because if you look how much, for one thing, it's like puffed rice. That's what you said.
Yeah.
And what,
people are just immediately digging in and eating it.
And they're immediately eating it.
But even if it's like a magic trick and it's not like some sort of street snack that people have, I have no idea where this is from, but then that's that's a great method. The fact that it's real is great, if it is real.
Yeah.
Otherwise, that is the most amazing devil's hank I've ever seen.
Yeah, exactly. They can either be one of those, because it looks quite real. It looks like it could be a thing, and it's so much of it. And you would think maybe there's like a lot of bowl, or that he's palming it, or something, but I have no clue what it is. And I want to eat it. It looks pretty delicious, actually.
I also really like the salt bay energy up the top that just and magic
bounces off of his elbow. Yeah, this guy goes hard.
All right, I got
Reddit king.
No, that is absolutely one of the best things I've seen off Reddit.
Yeah.
Now I got one for you, Chris. Take a look at this.
Hit me. This is cool.
All right, we're gonna jump in here.
Whoa!
Yes.
Oh, so we're going into like art territory. This is like no longer magic, but this is very much magic. Oh man.
Yeah. So these are invisible statues. So
that is so clever.
I actually looked into this. So I'm probably gonna butcher this name, but Teruke Subakura is an artist, and they do all kinds of really cool technology-related things. And I saw this, and at first I thought this was like a part of like an illusion that someone was doing. But this is actually an installation, and you can see stuff going in. And one of the cool things that it is there's an image sensor on the light, and then there's like radar sticks up around the exhibit, so it knows which direction the light is, and it changes the way the projection is as it goes around.
I'm wondering, there's no way it's in the like
It's in the light.
it's in the flashlight itself.
Yeah, it's in the flashlight itself. So it's not like it's not like it's throwing through invisible thread or anything like that. But like, what a great method.
That is an amazing method.
Like,
yeah.
imagine taking this technology and putting it on stage where you could vanish a statue and then prove that it's still there, and then make the statue reappear.
Yeah, that would fool everybody, dude. Especially how I guess isolated the invisible statue is comparative to how you're moving around the flashlight. It's pretty insane. I really don't know. I still am kind of fooled. Also, one thing I didn't notice initially that I'm noticing now is that it also is projecting a flashlight onto the table as you hover it over.
Yes.
So I mean, you can still see his actual shadow, right? But like, so the idea is that like, you don't see yourself either.
Yeah, it's so cool. I mean, this is like, when we talk about the fusion of technology and magic in the future, this is the kind of stuff I want to see.
And this is what we're going to see. I feel like we're going to see a magician use this technology to the umph level. Yeah. And I want to see more people use this kind of thing and go into the art of magic, because man, to me this is one of the most magical things I've seen all year. Yeah. So
that's why I wanted to show it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, Chris has got to see this.
Yeah, very good. I like that, man. I like that. That's good.
All right, let's move on.
Yeah. All right, cool. All right, so next one is mine. Okay. Let's run it. I just don't want to spoil it all. This is actually a classic video. And as soon as it like came through Reddit, I was like, oh, I remember this. This is one of my favorite routines that is so clever and kind of is everything that I like about like these kind of early 2000s, almost Kabuki acts, you know? So yeah, and look at this. So if you haven't seen this before, this is so fun. So first he obviously takes off of the elephant outfit. Yep. Then he's taking off his pants. You're kind of like, what is he going for with that? But then he does this. Where is he going with this? And such a clever bit. Like, you're like, what?
What's going on with his stomach?
Yeah, and then this is the best thing. Oh, and then bada bing, little kid. This is fun. It's so good. And then he like slumps over. Dude, literally everything about this from A to B is genius. And I think, you know, if you're a magician, I don't think you can get like, you can have an understanding maybe of a little bit of what's going on. But I remember seeing this in like 2011, man. Dude,
so I'll be honest with you. As soon as I saw that blue character, I knew this video. Yeah. Because this is gonna get real in the weeds here. But when I was in my 20s, I worked on a television pilot for a show that was going to be bringing this concept to the United States. There's all kinds of crazy, there was an annual video contest in Japan where they do these like live black art things where you can see like people like doing things. You can kind of see the puppeteers in the background. And this was from that show. And I remember seeing this for the first time years ago, and I'm so glad you brought it back because people need to see this.
People need to see this. People need to see that kind of magic. And I love that kind of stuff, the Kabuki, like black art stuff. And it's cool you worked on that.
The best part about this though is that the guy is acting. It's all of the little details from like when he like removes, because you don't know what's going on when he's like moving his arm around, but then it's like clearly the little girl. So it bears repeating to watch this guy's mime work because it's so good.
I would like to see it happen one more time. The little girl starts doing this too, and then a little puppy comes out. Like, think about that. That'd be crazy. But yeah, man,
Chris, I know the next magic project you and I are working on.
Oh yeah.
I take off my suit and produce you. You take off your skin suit and produce a puppy.
Yeah, and we can use a Corbus costume.
Yes.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah,
for those of you wondering, Corbus is the name of the penguin over here at Penguin Magic.
If you didn't know, Corbus is our mascot. That's a Corbus. I literally such a fun routine. If you guys know who this gentleman is,
let us know in the comments.
Because I don't think anyone knows. Who knows?
I'm sure we could go back in the annals of the internet and find
it. Is that a magician or is this just a Kabuki artist? I don't know.
It's some sort of visual artist, but it's fantastic. All right, Chris, I got another one for you.
Hey, I'm excited to see it. Let's go. Okay, cool. This is this gentleman. He's got a card, 2 diamonds, and the 2 diamonds is gone. Boom, gone. That was crazy. That was so good. Let's see that one more time.
So I've actually, Celeborn Magic is someone that I've been following on Reddit for a while.
Oh yeah.
Celeborn Magic shows up in a lot of the card magic Reddits and things, because I'm on Reddit all the time.
Yeah.
And so this is great. Now, I believe Celeborn actually talks about in their post that this is not practical for the real world. But look how clean that vanish is.
It's extremely, and I would say, I can see why he says it's not practical for the real world, because there are some stipulations. However, I don't think all magic is predicated on it having to be like, I got to do this in real life. This is cool, man, because look, he's not going near the edge of the table.
No.
And I think there's a reason for that.
Normally when you see this, like there's like, you would like turn the hand, and as it goes, you would like have another hand go down, and like it would track the motion, but that doesn't happen here. It's vanishing up here, which is so cool.
Which is so cool, and it just uses basically like a very fun illusion. That I've seen a couple people play around with, but not in this way. That's really sick.
I think that's how it works, but I don't know. I mean, it's so good.
Yeah, it's good, man. This guy's got crazy karma. I'll upvote this man to the day, to the end.
All right,
to the jump.
Let's take a look at your last one.
All right, let's go run it. It's a fun one. Yeah, so this is actually like a little bit of a trick, a little bit of just an illusion. This one killed me because it's very layered, literally, right?
Yes.
It's layered. So I know you're a 3D printing kind of guy.
Yeah.
You've been 3D printing a lot. I know you 3D printed a fun, like, what's the show called? The Dragon Show?
Oh yeah. So, the Game of Thrones. I printed a dragon's egg to hold my deck of cards.
Exactly. It's cool. I've seen this man open up a 3D printed egg, deck of cards.
This is so cool because that spiral in the blade is what makes it so convincing. Like this is definitely a model that you could get from any of the 3D printing subreddits. But what the person has done is putting it on this nice wooden table.
It's cool.
It looks great.
It's cool, man. And usually in these kind of like barbershop illusion type things, it's you know.
There's always a point where it doesn't quite work, and with this one, it works all the way through.
Exactly, because usually it's like horror. I guess just like it goes. It's the same all the way through.
Like tapered, but it doesn't have that because that spiral is
down
really
exactly, and this just now goes down. So I would assume, and this is not a Magic Fit video, so we can kind of get more into the method. You know, I would assume it's like
it's definitely
it's collapsing. It's collapsing, but it's also using that like barbershop spiral, you know. Thing. So it's a really fun illusion, and I can see a magician using this. What for? Not sure yet, but
I don't know either. But it's definitely something to look at if you're starting to design. You know, maybe a part of an illusion or something that you would want to do to like. Maybe if you were doing like something through table, like you could like make, because it looks like it's being pulled out of water almost.
It's insane, yeah. Actually, then there you go. Maybe that's the start of it. This table is now water, see? And then you can do a coin vanish, put it in the water.
You can put, like pass like the salt shaker or a glass to the table or something, and like use this to like stab and then like bring back.
That's cool. You could dip your finger in and it's just like a bunch of brown on your finger. Like, oh, it's like liquidy. Use Tobias Stossel's. Yeah, there we go.
Absolutely.
Yeah, there we go. Cool. So.
Well, that's it. Those are the videos that we found on Reddit that we thought we would show to you. Do us a favor, let us know in the comments below other videos, magic videos on Reddit that we should check out, and other topics for places we should look for videos to surprise each other.
Yeah, we want to have new ideas, and we want to see very funny genres to react to in this show. So let us know in the comments what you want to see us react to, and also put this video on Reddit. I want to get some upvotes.
And as always, like, subscribe, ring the bell, do all the YouTube stuff so you'll be notified when we put up more stuff like this.
Man.
I'm Eric.
I'm Chris.
And this has been Magicians React.
Thank you, Reddit.